Now, one of the cool features on the Hyundai range for many of their models and on this Kona hybrid N-Line is this. So you push and hold that, push and hold the remote start, which starts the car. And now that the car's started, what you can do is you can push and hold on the side buttons, and that will either help get your car out or move the car forward. So if you've parked somewhere and someone's come and parked a little bit too close to you, it can be quite a handy little feature to have the car be able to do this and drive itself so that you can get in and out without scratching your new car. Now, one of the questions that you're probably wondering is, what happens if something comes out in front of it, or if it gets a little bit too close while I've got my hands on the remote control? So as you'll see, as you're going forwards, the sensors are still picking up everything that needs to pick up around it so that it stops. Nice, simple, and easy.